front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Notifications and Status bar. Then you need to tap on Manage All and click on Most Recent to sort your notifications however you want to. I will go with Sort by Apps with most frequent notifications. Finally, tap on blue switcher next to any app to block notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting on the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also go back and select one of your apps over here. Then tap on the chosen one and use this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!